Hey there, what's going on? All right, let's get down to business. It's been a while. Um, so, how to chelate heavy metals using OSR? It's like a white powdery substance. You know, I don't want to spill it. Kind of looks like cocaine, but it is what it is. So, why OSR? Because OSR has a really strong bond to mercury and other heavy metals. I can't think of it off the top of my head. I should have wrote notes down, but I didn't because this video was off the top of my head. So, but specifically mercury. It when it chelates mercury out the cell, the grip it has on mercury is really strong. Essentially, it doesn't let go of it. Whereas with other things like ACC, which anti-color chelation, which can fuck you up. Cilantro, was it parsley? All this other stuff. They're weak chelators. I'm not saying they can't work or they don't have their place, but they're not OSR. Or you also call this, what is it? Erminix, Emeramide. Before I'm gonna put links down below in the description where you can join the Facebook group. There's a Facebook group for this. It's really helpful. Can be toxic. Watch out. As with any Facebook groups. So, where was I? So, yeah, why OSR? Because it's really strong chelator. Can cause really bad detox reactions. And the way I take it is, start really small, with like toothpick sizes. And this is given that you've already been, into detoxing and health and all that stuff. If you're new to this, don't go do this. Do not do this. You're gonna fuck yourself up. Don't do this. Before this, you want to, clean the colon. Start, actually, I don't even want to say it because that's like fucking what everyone else says. Exercise. No, it's just, start grounding, changing your fucking water, eating everything you eat, organic, high quality. Cleaning the colon, coffee enemas, water flushes, colonics, look into liver flushes. There's so many fucking things. Urine therapy, just drinking your own fucking urine, whatever you want. Like, just make sure you're in a good state of health before you do this. Get your gut ready. Things have to be in check before you do this, or else you're gonna cause more damage. Because it's almost like, it's like, imagine you have like a really shit car, and you put like diesel in it. It's gonna fuck it up, and that's kind of what this is like. That was kind of bad. All right. So, yeah. And I've been using this for, on and off for a year now. In the past couple weeks, I've been doing it, 3 days on, 2 days off, because it accumulates in your body. So you need, at least 1 day off. I do too, but you need at least 1 day off to, kind of recuperate. Binders are good during it, to get excess stuff out the body and shit like that. Binders are like, charcoal, clays. There's more. And yeah, so where you can get this stuff, they're in the Facebook group. The guy's name is Ren. Where I got it from, this is my experience. The Heavy Metal Chelation Facebook group, or Emeramide, I'll link both, there's two. The guy's name is Ren Dillon, and it's a place called, the fuck is the company called? I forgot, but it's a Chinese company. I know, Chinese company, is it sketchy, is it not? What are you getting? my advice to you is to experience that directly, you know? Listen to what I say, but ultimately, trust your direct experience. So, yeah, this stuff is really fucking strong. It does oxidize quickly, so you have to keep it in the fridge or the freezer. I, take a little bit, keep it in the fridge, and then keep the rest in the freezer. And yeah, so the max dose that Boyd Haley, the creator of this, I'll also link an interview with him. Not me, but like an interview that he did. Yeah, Boyd Haley created this. It used to be on the market like freely, but not anymore. Kind of got to cut corners to get it. So yeah, Boyd Haley created this, and forgot where I was. Yeah, Boyd Haley created that. Fucking forgot. Like, what the fuck? I'm not fucking editing this. Yeah, it oxidizes quickly, so keep it in the fridge or the freezer. I take a little bit and put the rest in the freezer. And the dosages. All right, the dosages are, the max dose you want to go is 300 milligrams a day. So what I do is 150 milligrams in the morning with the tablespoon of fat. It could be ghee, coconut oil, tallow, whatever. Obviously don't use shitty fats like seed oils, all that other shit. I use coconut oil, mostly, with this. Like a tablespoon of coconut oil with 150 milligrams. This is the max dose that I do, with 150 milligrams of OSR, and then later in the day, a tablespoon of coconut oil with 150 milligrams of OSR. And that's 300 milligrams a day. You can apply it on the skin transdermally, and you can put you take the OSR and you dilute it with DMSO, which is like the most powerful carrier agent in the fucking world. Make sure the DMSO is, it's tiny amounts. It doesn't touch anything else. Make sure it's a clean environment, because DMSO, like, if it touches anything, it'll get directly into your body. You don't want that. Or, I mean, you do want that, but you don't want that with fucking, tap water or something. So make sure it's clean, make sure it's dry, and yeah. So yeah, OSR is awesome. Definitely look into it, and let's do a farm tour. Let's go out and do a farm tour real quick. This is the base. I record in the basement. Let's do a farm tour. All right, so we're doing actually, I have to build this chicken tractor. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, chicken tractor for meat birds, corn and soy free. Yeah, it pays to be different. Being different is what's gonna make you a visionary, what's gonna make you essentially valuable, right? Like, I don't want to just farm to farm, right? We're farming to raise consciousness. And those are the chickens down there. Fuck, can't fucking, it's kind of cool. Let's go see it. Hold on. Oh, chickens. Fucking Jesus. Hey guys. Fucking goose, man. Goose are fucking awesome guardians. This is the chicken coop I built. Right there. Alright, let's go see the actual garden that I built. This fucking shit is awesome. It fucking took me 8 months. Jesus, I don't even know if you can hear me. Alright. We got the farm sign. Always gotta have the farm sign. They're building a house over there, so. With a Y farm. All right, so I built these beds out of rocks. It's freaking awesome, man. They're fucking beautiful. You see, I already got the flowers in there and shit like that. All the, you know, the tomatoes, the peppers are inside right now. A bunch of flowers and stuff. Fuck. Can't fucking see that. What you want, bruh? Alright. We got the fucking compost bin. You know, let's go take a closer look. Hold on. So this is compost tea. I fucking brewed up. So I got chicken poop, weeds, a bunch of other compost, and then put it in water and left it for a day, and then it creates really nice fertilizer, liquid fertilizer that won't burn your plants. And yeah, that's it for now. I'll be back with more cool stuff on the way. Oh shit, I gotta show you the radishes real quick. Hold on. Bro, this fucking camera, like, oh, here it is. Alright, look at this. Voila! Oh, fuck, I can't. Look at that. I thinned them already, and we're looking good. We're looking fucking awesome. So that's it. Yeah, get on that OSR if you're ready for it, but only if you're ready for it. And because you don't want to hurt yourself even worse. No, and this is especially important because with what we're trying to do, you can't build a full life if you're toxic. I mean toxic as in like your body's fucked up. You have fatigue, headaches, depression, anxiety. You can't build a good life out of this. It's impossible. It's impossible. So yeah, that's why I'm encouraging whoever is watching this to get on the detox. I'll come out with more stuff about it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and come back for more, and peace.